Here's has a greenhouse light. There.
Oh, no. There's one more spot. Right there.
No, they change like that.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. Because I already did those spots. Like, see that one random?
Oh, okay, yeah.
See, this.
So that's the dirt the plants are gonna grow on. Oh yeah, I did it right away.
Not like right away. See, there's two there, right?
Oh yeah, okay.
I
Cool.
don't want this. This is the pathway.
Oh, I see. You're making a proper greenhouse, huh?
Hey, why did that grow there? I guess grass grows too.
So you're gonna put your seeds down? Yeah, grass grows, yeah.
See? Look, it just growed again. Or no, I didn't check that spot.
No, you didn't do those. Yeah.
No. No.
So
No.
what are you gonna grow in here?
Stuff.
Like what? What kind of stuff? What plants are you gonna grow? Are you gonna grow flowers? Or are you gonna grow vegetables?
Both.
Both.
This can be the flower side. This can be the plant side.
Okay, so what do you gotta do now? You gotta plant some seeds?
Yeah. That's the first thing. So get rid of this. And then get all the seeds I can find. So what's this?
Beetroot seeds. That's melon seeds.
Ounce of melons.
Okay, that's beetroot. Those just say seeds. Unknown.
And then what are these?
Melon seeds. Pumpkin seeds. Seeds.
I want lots of melons.
What's this over here?
This?
Those are cocoa beans. Interesting.
Let's see what chocolate.
That's for making chocolate.
Huh?
That's for making chocolate. Cocoa beans.
I only got 4 of cocoa beans. And then 11 of unknown beans. Let's get a higher number than for cocoa beans. What is this?
So you can't plant it with that the dirt's turned, right? Like you have to redo these to plant there? Is that what you got to do? Is that what has to happen? You may as well plant them where you can.
Huh?
You may as well plant all the seeds where you can, and then go back and redo it. Yeah, you can't plant there, right?
I want some melons.
Okay, do melons then. That was the... which ones were those?
Those are melon seeds.
Yeah, I know, but which ones were the melon seeds?
You can read by it. So, melon seeds?
No, that's coca, pumpkin, seeds, beetroot, melon. What kind of melon do you think?
They were in,
What kind of melon? Like watermelon?
yeah.
Oh, nice. We're gonna have some watermelon. Pretty cool.
And when I eat these, I can grow some more. Hey, that one's growing. That one's
Yeah,
growing.
there you go.
That one's
Melon. There you go.
growing everywhere. Oh, oopsie. Don't worry, just get some more grass. Hey, they're growing.